Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you the lowdown on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sweeteners with a closer look at the Zero Calorie Sweetener. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Equal apart from other sweeteners? Let's break it down. First off, Equal is a zero-calorie sweetener, making it a perfect sugar substitute for those looking to cut down on calories without sacrificing sweetness. Whether you're stirring it into your morning coffee or sprinkling it over your favorite dessert, Equal dissolves quickly, ensuring you get that perfect level of sweetness in every sip or bite. But what about those with dietary restrictions or health concerns? Well, Equal has got you covered. With less than 1 gram of carbohydrate per serving, it's a great option for individuals watching their carb intake or managing diabetes. Plus, it's gluten-free, so you can enjoy it worry-free. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate Equal into your daily routine. From your morning cup of tea to your post-dinner treat, Equal can be used in a variety of ways to sweeten up your day. And with 800 packets in each box, you'll have plenty to go around. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking to cut calories, manage your sugar intake, or simply sweeten up your day, Equal Zero Calorie Sweetener is the way to go. With its convenient packets and unbeatable taste, it's sure to become a staple in your pantry. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy sweetening!